guys, good day and welcome to another basic tutorial and illustration on the light bag collection. So what we'll be making today or explaining to you on how we make it is this particular bag you are seeing. It's a very nice design bag, and as you can see how long it is and how short the bag is, and the wideness is enough for you to carry your items. It has a back seating, a silver back seating from the bottom, because we use a silver embellishment, which is this design here. So, and as you can see, the accessory as well are designed, which is the earring for the side here. The hook for the long strap is also a earring. Let me open it. As you can see, this is it here, and the inside is well lined with our branded black lining, and we use a black magnetic snap for the outside. So without no further ado, I will be explaining how we make this particular bag. So if you want to try the design and the basic measurement, I will be showing you that in just 2 seconds. So if you are new to the channel, please, you can use this time to subscribe. It costs you nothing to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification there. If you have any question after you finish watching this video, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, as I will try my best to attend to all your questions. If you want us to design your bag, or you have anything in mind, if you have a tutorial you want us to teach you on the channel, or you are just a bag vendor, you want to start selling bags, you can get in contact with us. We can supply you. Or if you are just starting your brand and you want someone that can design your bag and produce them for you, we do that as well. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description, both the business WhatsApp and the personal WhatsApp. So guys, enough talking, let's proceed to what we are here to learn and do today. So guys, welcome back. So this is the illustration for this particular bag, as you guys can see, as we always do on this channel, to explain better to you guys. So this bag, as you are seeing, the length of the bag, how long it is from this particular side here, this particular end to this particular end, is 10 inch. The wideness of the bag from the side, which is from here to this particular side, is 4 inch. Most of our bags are 4 inch or even more than that. Then the height of the bag, which is from down to the top here, is 5 inch. So that's the basic measurement for the bag. So if you want to cut this particular bag, everything is cut from the front, the bottom, the side, and the back together with the cover. So this is the cover for the bag. One side is divided half, 2.5 inch. The other side is divided 2.5 inch, which make it 5 inch. So if you want to cut this particular bag, you take the measurement of the cover, the back, the bottom, and the front, and you know what you are going to cut together. You calculate it together by 10 and you cut that. So that's that for that. So the handle, our handle is 1 inch by 11.5 inch, because the way we design the handle, as you can see, the way the handle is at the end here, we just fold we cut a material which is 1 inch, more than 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Then we fold it from the inside and wrap it at the end of our handle, and that is the kind of effect we need for this particular side. The same thing applicable to here. You just take a measurement 1 inch from this particular side to this side, then you know exactly where you want your strap for the handle to be, and you fix it there. It's just as simple as that. As you can see, we have indicated here that this from here to here is 1 inch, which is from this particular side to where you are going to fix your hand is 1 inch. Then the one you are going to use to tape the mouth of the handle, which is this particular one, is 2 by 11. So you tape it round for it to be enough for you and give you this type of shape. So enough about that. Let's get to our side and talk about our bottom. From the previous video you guys have been watching on the channel, by now I know you should be able to understand how we make this side and produce this type of corset. So we said our bag height is 5 and our side of it is 4. So if you want to cut our side, initially we are supposed to cut 4 by 5, but due to the way we are going to fold our material and we need excess to produce this type of corset we make on the bag, so we need to add more to it. So initially at the height of the bag is supposed to be 5, so we make it 6.5. We add 1.5 inch to it, 1 inch to the bottom and half inch to the top for us to fold. Then the wideness from this particular side to this particular side is supposed to be 4, so we add 6 to it. We add 1 inch to the right side, 1 inch to the left side. As you guys can see, maybe you understand more now. So before you start cutting out now, you have to shape your material, which is this top will now be giving you 4.5. The reason why we are cutting 4.5 is because we are going to fold a edge, half inch from the edge. So at the end of the day, once you fold your half inch, this is going to arrive at 3 point something, 3.5 point something, because it's going to be more than 3.5 according to calculation if you do it right. So that's just it, and probably we will dedicate a video on exactly on how to make this corset in the coming days. So guys, I hope you guys understand the explanation I did on this illustration on how we make this particular bag. If you understand, give this video a giant thumbs up, and if you do not understand as well, this comment section is for you. You can leave a comment there on what you asked, on your question, or what you think you feel on this particular video if you like it. And by the way, I want you guys to give this video a enough like, give it a green heart for me to know that you guys really watched to this level. So, and by God willing, I will try my best to make this exactly type of bag and show you the basic tutorial, the process. I don't need to explain again since I've explained on this video, to show you the process on how we make this particular bag, the kind of material we use, the basic measurement for the clothes, and everything we do on this particular bag. So I hope you guys really love this video and enjoying it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate those of you who have subscribed to the channel. For our new subscriber, again, you guys are welcome to the family. Thank you guys for being here, and we are going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.